close your eyes and imagine yourself surrounded by majestic creatures of the deep. Witness playful dolphins leaping through the air, awe-inspiring orcas gliding effortlessly through the water, and mesmerizing sharks showcasing their power and grace. This is just a glimpse of what awaits you at SeaWorld Yas Island, a marine mammal park unlike any other. Hello there. We are back again with another travel guide for you, but this time on high demand. We are here at SeaWorld Yas Island. This newly inaugurated Middle East's first marine life theme park is perched on the vibrant Yas Island in Abu Dhabi. This haven for marine enthusiasts promises unforgettable encounters with majestic creatures, thrilling rides, and a deeper understanding of the ocean's wonders. We are here to take you on a virtual tour, covering all the insights that you should know before you visit this popular destination. The best time to visit SeaWorld Yas Island is between November and March. This coincides with the cooler months, offering comfortable temperatures and less crowded conditions. But how do you get here? What are the visa guidelines to visit SeaWorld Yas Island in Abu Dhabi? For several countries, it is not even required to pay for a travel visa upon arrival at Abu Dhabi International Airport. However, other nationals have to apply for a mandatory transit visa or tourist visa before their trip. So obtain your visa online or at the airport upon arrival depending on your nationality. Before you visit Yas Island, secure your entry by purchasing tickets online in advance. This saves your time waiting in queues and ensures your preferred entry date. Also, you can download the Yas Island app for access to park maps, showtimes, and other valuable information. SeaWorld Yas Island boasts 8 immersive realms, each offering a unique perspective on the ocean's wonders. First is Abu Dhabi Ocean, where you can discover the vibrant coral reefs and marine life of the Arabian Gulf. One Ocean serves as the park's hub. It showcases portals to the other realms and the Animal Care Center. Here you can explore breathtakingly immersive stories of the One Ocean. In Arctic, you can witness the incredible adaptations of polar bears and other Arctic animals. Antarctica is the opposite pole of the Arctic. It lets you meet playful penguins and learn about their fascinating social behavior. At Rocky Point, walk into the beautiful hidden cove. You'll see sea lions and seals resting on rocks, barking at one another, and jumping into the choppy water. Tropical Ocean showcases dolphin presentation, tropical rainforest, and even a thrilling roller coaster. Endless Ocean takes you into the mesmerizing depths of the deep sea. It is home to the world's largest multi-species marine life aquarium with over 68,000 animals, including sharks, rays, and schooling fish. And the last realm is Micro-Ocean, a hidden world of microscopic organisms crucial to the ocean's health. It offers multiple games, adventures, rides, experiments, entertainment, and some fun education too. Now, if you are thinking this destination is just about these 8 realms, let's tell you that SeaWorld Yas Island offers much more than just realm exploration. Here, you can experience the adrenaline rush on the Manta Coaster and other exhilarating rides. Witness the intelligence of dolphins in live shows and be mesmerized by underwater performances. Engage with educational displays and learn about marine conservation efforts. After exploring the best experiences, we cannot resist but talk about the culinary adventure, the relishing food options near SeaWorld Yas Island. It offers a culinary adventure for every palate, from world-renowned chefs to local favorites. There's something for everyone. You can relish the Italian cuisine, savor succulent steaks, and seafood in a vibrant and stylish atmosphere. Enjoy Mediterranean cuisine and much more. Does it get you all excited for your trip to SeaWorld Yas Island? We bet the real-time experience will definitely be even more exciting and memorable. So plan your adventure, pack your bags, and dive into a world of underwater wonders. That's all for this time. If you want to know more about all these attractions, you can directly visit our website, www.tboacademy.com, and explore more of our content on SeaWorld Yas Island and other destinations. And for more such insightful travel guides and tips, subscribe to our channel. We have separate videos of each attraction. Until next time, keep exploring, and we'll see you on SeaWorld Yas Island.